In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your card.co. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what link to paste, and how to make your audio keep playing while people browse your page. First, head to card.co and sign into your account. That takes you to your dashboard where you can see all the sites you've created. Pick the site where you want to add audio and click the pencil icon to open it in the editor. This puts you in build mode, where you can add new elements and adjust the layout. Inside the editor, look for the Add button or the small plus icon. Click it to open the element menu, then choose Audio. Card will insert an audio element onto your canvas and open its settings panel so you can configure it. Before pasting a link, glance at the accepted URL formats shown in the panel. Card only plays audio from supported sources, and the list there tells you exactly what types of links work. If your link isn't on that list, it won't play, so make sure you grab a URL that matches one of the accepted formats. A direct track or file link usually works best. Avoid links that require a login or are behind permissions. Now click into the URL field and paste your audio link. As soon as you do, Card will attempt to load a preview. If nothing appears, double check that the link is publicly accessible and matches the accepted format exactly. Keep your link clean, no tracking parameters or shorten links if you can avoid them, so the player can parse it reliably. Next, turn on Allow Background Play. This setting keeps the audio going even as visitors scroll or switch between sections on your page, which creates a smoother listening experience. Just remember that some browsers limit autoplay, so users may need to press play. That's normal behavior and ensures people stay in control of their audio. When you're happy with the settings, click Done. You'll see the audio element on your canvas with a recognizable play control. From here, you can drag and drop it to position it anywhere on your site, top, bottom, or alongside other content. Align it with your layout, leave a little breathing room around it, and make sure it's easy to spot so visitors know how to start listening. That's it. You've added audio to your card site, configured it with a supported link, enabled background play, and placed the player exactly where you want it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy enhancing your page with